Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to, or we actually do not have to scroll because we have to find the features. So let's tap on it. Now let's tap on System Navigation, and as you can see we've got two different options: the 3-button navigation, which is currently applied, and the gestures. Before we will set the gestures, a quick disclaimer: you can customize the buttons. Just tap on this settings icon and you can reorder the buttons, and the back button and the recents. Let's go back and let me apply the gestures. So let's simply tap on this option and wait. And as you can see, almost immediately, instead of those 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. Here you've got the kind of tutorial, the instructions of how to use them, but no worries, I will explain everything. We can also enter the settings, and here we can customize the back sensitivity, but to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be lower or higher. It simply changes the width of this blue area. Alright, so let me go back and let me show you how it works. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. You can do it from the left and the right side, it works the same. So let's swipe it, and if you can see this arrow, simply release the finger. Let me enter sounds, for example. You can do it from the right side also. If you want to get back directly to the home page, then all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, just repeat the motion but elongate it. After releasing the finger, you can see that here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.